Hi there! I'm Sarah, part of the Echelon Home Loans team, jumping in today on behalf of Chris, your new in-house finance manager, and Brian, Heather, and Ashley, your KW Coastal Living operating principals and owners. If you missed our big private agent unveiling this past Tuesday, we didn't want you to miss out on the momentum. We've officially launched Echelon Home Loans, and the Introlend app that powers it all is ready for you to use right now. So what's the big deal? Why should you care about this app? Well, for starters, it saves you time, makes the financing process much easier for your buyers, and helps you deliver a seamless client experience. This isn't just any mortgage process. It's one application that includes a soft credit pull, which does not impact your client's credit score, and then provides your client with multiple competitive loan quotes, ensuring they get the best deal for them, all delivered through the app interface. Whether your client is buying their first home, refinancing, or shopping for a second opinion, the process is smooth, fast, and professional. Here's how to get started. 1. Download the Introlend app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Next, open the app and sign in using your cell phone number. You will be prompted to create a password. And voila, now you are ready to explore your app and practice sending a client a fast-track link to start a loan application. Next, you simply start a client's Fast Track from within the Echelon Introlend app by hitting the green Fast Track button at the bottom center in the app. Then create a client card by entering their phone number, email, and mailing address if you know it. Your client will instantly receive a link by text message, and a window will open for you to send a pre-typed email to your client if you choose. You will be notified within the app as soon as they engage. Additionally, Chris and the concierge team will also have the opportunity to assist if the client has any needs. To demo what the full experience looks like from your end and your customer's end, enter a test Fast Track application using the name Jane Test and your personal cell number. You will receive a text to fill out the Echelon application. When you receive the link and are prompted to enter a social security number, you may enter either the test social security number of 795123456. Or if you want a free review of your own credit score, enter your personal social security number. Don't worry, it's a soft credit pull and will not impact your credit score in any way. Now that you know what the Echelon Home Loans powered by the Introlend app feels like, let's talk strategy. Go to the Broadcast Marketing tab at the top of the app to obtain your personal Fast Track link or QR code to include these resources in marketing materials, your listing signs, or anywhere you market. That's the power of the Echelon Home Loans app powered by Introlend. It gives you an easier method of connecting with your buyers and have instant visibility into your buyer or refinance clients. We're so excited about the Echelon Home Loans launch. Chris is here to take great care of your clients and close your client loans seamlessly. This is a benefit to every KW Coastal Living agent. Chris can be reached at his office or cell number and via the Echelon Introlend app, and his email is chris@echelonhl.com. He is ready to assist with all your clients' financing needs. Thank you.